Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Data Engineer. So today we will see window functions and their type and why we are using window function. So basically window function is a advanced analytical functions. Okay, so if you have to perform certain query where there is a current record and then subsequent record required, there is a calculation required within the same window or different window. So for performing that we need some analytical functions, so that's why we are using the window function. Okay, so window function in SQL perform calculation across a set of table row that are somehow related to the current row. Okay, so unlike aggregation function which returns a single result of group of row, window function return a value for each row in the set. So whatever window you will create, it will return the entire set instead of a single. Okay, so there are certain things which basically required for window functions. So overclose under overclose, so this basically define the window of row the function operates. Okay, like partitions by, order by. So there are certain columns in your table, so you wanted to partitions by which particular column, or you want order by which particular column for your ranking or for any cumulative calculations, so anything. So you wanted some overclause whereby partitions by, you wanted either partitions by or order by. So you required that. So in this video we will see different types of window functions and their with their example. Okay, so first is the aggregate functions. So aggregate functions basically used to do the aggregations. Okay, these perform calculation on set of row and return a single value. So as we already discussed, this will perform some aggregation on a set of row and return a single value. Okay, so here we will see a common aggregate function like sum, average, count, mean, max. So we will see by the example, like select product, sale date, amount and sum of amount over partitions by product. So we will select the product, sale date and amount, three column we will select. We will do the sum of amount over partitions by product. Like first we have to partitions by the product. There is a product category where the product like A, B, C, D, E. So first every alphabet is a product, so we have to do the partitions of product, and then we will do order by sale date. So either increasing or decreasing as a running total from sales, and we can get the aggregate functions. Then apart from in aggregate, either we can use sum or average or count or minimum or maximum. So this SQL query structure would be same. Instead of sum you can use either average or count or minimum or maximum, whatever required you can use that. You have to just take care about two things. So whatever the column required for selection, you can select that, then you will do the sum of amount or average of amount or minimum amount or maximum amount over. So either you want partitions by or order by, or only any one of them, either partition by or order by, or if you wanted both, you have to take in care of these things. Like if you're doing partitions, so you have to take care about which column and order by which column. Okay, and then you can like you can perform the query. Then now second comes to ranking function. So ranking function basically this assigns a rank to each row within a partitions. Okay, so common ranking function is a row number, rank, tens rank, entile. Entile is the like basically for ordering and then assigning the bucket number to each row. So row number, what it will do basically, so if we'll in a certain window, it will assign a unique sequential integer to row within a partition starting from one. So if we'll apply a row number, so it will assign each unique number to the particular row. Okay, and what is rank? So rank assign a rank to each row with a gap in the rank for ties. Okay, so if there is a tie happen, suppose there is a two rows, we have the same, this data got tie, then it will assign one. Okay, uh, but when the third row will come, it will not assign second rank for that. There is a gap because already there is a two match, so it will assign the third number from that. Okay, so two will get skipped. In case of dense rank, it is similar to rank but without gap. So when there is a two row match, it will assign a rank dense rank as a one, and then next again start from two. It will not start from two, so there is no skip in case of dense rank. So we have to remember these things. So only the difference between rank and dense rank is, in rank there is skip if there is a row got matched. Okay, and in case of dense rank there is no skip of the numbering. Okay, then entile. So entile basically this divide the order row into n bucket and assign a bucket number to each row. So basically it will divide to a bucket, and then each bucket it will assign a unique number. Okay, so we'll see by example, like select product, sale date, amount, rank. So here we will want rank over partitions by product. So we basically wanted for each product what are their sale. Okay, so based on sale rank, we will just assign order by amount decreasing. So based on amount and for each category of product we wanted their rank, so we will use this query. Okay, so instead of rank we can use either rank, row number, rank, dense ranks, whatever required we can use that. Okay, then there is a value functions. So these functions basically return a specific value based on the positions of the row relative to other. So there is a one row at the row number third. So if you wanted some calculation based from previous row, or leading row or lagging row, so from like row number 2 or row number 6, so you have to do certain calculations. So based on offset or column you can just use that. So leading is basically what it will do, lead function. So return the value of a column from a subsequent row. Okay, and lagging function, what it will do, it will return the value of a column from a preceding row. Then first value, return the first value of order set of the value. So in a particular window, if you wanted first value, it will give the first value, last value, return the last value in the order set of a value. Okay, so these are the function which is basically called value function. Under window function, these are value function. We will see by example also here. And every function, lead, lag, first and last, they have certain parameter. So which based on which column, what is the offset for that, and what is the default. Okay, so here select product, sale date, amount, lag amount 10 over partitions by product. So there is a only it will give the offset of 1, means ki you have to take only one row gap. Okay, then lag amount 10 over partitions by product, order by sale date as a previous sale. So lag function, what it will do, it will take from the previous one, it will take from the preceding row. And if it is the, if you want to take from front like subsequent row, you will use the lead function. Okay, then similar to that we have a statistical function. uh, so for cumulative distribution you will use cum dist. So this will calculate the cumulative distributions of a value in a group value. Okay, then percentage rank, this is calculate the relative rank of row within a group. So like select product, amount, and cumulative description distribution, sorry. So over like which particular product you want, or order by which amount, and also that we can do that. Okay, and then frame specification. So this basically allow for the definition of subset of row, like row between unbounded preceding and current row, or row between current row and unbounded so we have to calculate based on that. Okay, so the similar you can say query you can perform, like select product, sale id, sum of amount, product by, and then you can do like row between unbound, or row between current row and unbounded. So you can perform operation like that. So you can see total like row number, rank, dense rank, entire, sum, average, count, minimum, maximum, leading, lag, first value, last value. These all are the window function, and their subsequent descriptions also we have written, like what is the, why we are using row number, why we are using rank, dense rank, and all we can see from this list. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.